You are welcome to SCHOOL2 Comedy. I am your principal. Fuck up and keep up.
If you follow SCHOOL2 Comedy, my brother, yourself with the life. Follow SCHOOL2 Comedy, you go forget your sorrow.
My guy,
Abarie, my guy.
how you doing?
Thank God, my guy. This one will carry you come my house.
I beg. My girlfriend, they find me come. You know, you don't take. So, I beg, that way you they take if your girlfriend find you come, what they take, do well. I beg, I need her.
Abarie, the one why I buy before, it don't finish. So this one why I buy now is special. And I 1,000.
Okay, 1,000. No, that will not be problem now.
Thank you very much, Abarie.
So the thing go make me I go take. Because
If I bring and make you first see, you go know.
because this guy don't threaten me since I want.
And they come. Wait for me.
I will kill her today. She go not say.
If you follow SCHOOL2 Comedy, my sister, be yourself with the life. Follow SCHOOL2 Comedy, when you forget your sorrow.
See this one. You finish, you scatter,
You don't mean it.
everything.
You are my guy.
Yeah,
My guy.
What
Thank
to do
you.
you?
For inside SCHOOL2, many things they happen, many things never. You go laugh, you go tire, you go be like say nah.
Good afternoon, brother.
Good afternoon.
I'm Sister Winifred.
And I'm Sister Fina.
We are here to preach the word of God to you.
Oh, okay.
We are trying to let you know that Christ is coming.
Giving souls, we go win souls to God.
To God.
Hello, baby.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I told you that I'm a busy person.
My
brother,
brother, you have to give your life to Christ.
Hey!
He
Tomorrow
loves
may be
you.
too late.
Baby boy, you call me so that we can.
Exactly. Oh. That's why I told them to come back later. Maybe in the evening or tomorrow. Eh?
So you cannot do this no.
Why?
This is Christ now. You have to choose one. Go follow Christ, I mean go follow. No worry, give me my transport. Transport now, you do.
But they will soon be going.
My brother.
Exercise patient.
Sister,
You can as well give your life to Christ. No, don't worry, we'll do that by now.
Jesus! My brother, give your life to Christ. Eh?
He
Anyways,
loves you.
see,
He loves you.
as you think about what we just discussed now, just get back to us. Don't forget to give
Peace
your
be
life
with
to
you.
Christ. Oh.
Peace be unto you, my brother.
Sister,
You are
let's
blessed.
For inside SCHOOL2, many things they happen, many things never. You go laugh, you go tire, you go be like say nah jazz.
You will handicap. Koko go go. Kono.